Good afternoon, guys. My name is MyLifeAsLoveline. Welcome to my channel. This afternoon I'm going to be showing us how to make a simple mask from a cloth and 2 rubber bands. It's that easy, guys. Anybody can do it. So information is key. I always say that information is key, and unless you turn your back away from information that is real, it cannot help you. If you embrace good information, it's going to build you, it's going to add to your life. Enough of the talking, guys. Let's get down to business. So to produce your mask, you need just 2 things. You need hair bands. I have them here in black. Get elastic ones that are comfortable and not producing a lot of tension around the ears. Get ones that are like, they feel good to the touch. They're softer. All right. And then also a simple cotton cloth. You don't need to go to the market to get a cotton cloth at this time. For our parents back at home, they can use their headscarves, or maybe a pillowcase, or maybe any little cloth, handkerchiefs, or you can just like get a t-shirt, a cotton t-shirt, and get a rectangular piece out of it, a rectangular or a square piece out of it, and follow the procedure, guys. Just do it by yourself. Okay, let's dive into the procedure proper. So this is my piece. Fold it into a rectangular piece. This is the square piece. I get it into a rectangular shape. So this is it, guys. This is it. Then I get my bands. Attach it at each end of this piece. So when I get it like this, what I do is I fold in one edge of the piece inside, and then I open it up. Look at it, guys. This is the procedure. And then I bring in the other end into the open space. See, it's that easy. Ta-da! And we are done. All right, let's try this on. Feels so comfortable. Feels so comfortable. I can really tell you, it's so comfortable. You go out there, you know you're protected. You know you're keeping your family safe, and for nothing. This costs just nothing. So thank you for watching, guys, and thanks for your patience. Wash your hands with soap and water. While singing happy birthday, wash your hands, guys. Happy birthday to you. Wash your hands. Sing happy birthday twice in the process of washing your hands. So you're sure that you took time to wash your hands. Wash your hands like this, in between the nails, and then here. Again, like this, and like this, like this, the nails, and then here. And then you rinse with water. If you want to sneeze in your elbow. Great. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and click also on the notification button down below, so you'll be the first to notified when I upload a video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.